Hi you guys, is your hair brittle and breaking off? Is it thinning and you don't know why? No matter how many trims you get, you always have a lot of split ends. Are you about ready to give up on your natural hair journey because nothing you seem to do is working for you? Well, watch this video all the way to the end and see how I make this herbal hair rinse tea that is guaranteed to transfer your hair after just one use. So for this hair rinse, I will be using 4 ingredients. First is green tea. Green tea is a DHT blocker and it helps promote blood circulation to the scalp. Next is hibiscus. It is rich in vitamin C, amino acid, and antioxidants that stimulate follicles. Fenugreek is also a DHT blocker. It contains proteins and iron, which stimulates hair follicles and boosts circulation. Last is saw palmetto, which also strengthens the hair and stimulates blood flow. Now that it is cool, I'm going to strain my tea. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of MSM powder. This promotes hair growth by providing sulfur, a key component for producing collagen and keratin, which are essential for strong, thick hair. Give it a stir to help the MSM powder dissolve. Now I'm going to add 10 drops of rosemary essential oil. Rosemary promotes hair growth, reduces hair loss, and boosts circulation to the scalp. Last, 10 drops of tea tree essential oil. It helps to soothe an itchy and flaky scalp. It treats dandruff and manages excessive oil. Now give it another good stir to make sure everything is mixed well. Now I'm just going to pour this into my applicator bottle. Whatever you pour your tea in, you want to make sure that it is sterilized. And this is how I will be applying it to my hair and scalp. So now I'm just going to show you guys how I apply it to my hair and scalp. Now my hair is already washed, conditioned, and deep conditioned. This is the final step to my wash routine. I like using this applicator bottle because it allows me to get to my scalp easy. You just want to make sure that you are completely saturating your scalp and hair with this hair tea. Once I am satisfied with that, I'll go in with my massage brush and I'll do that for 3 to 4 minutes. Now you just want to squeeze and make sure your hair tea is penetrating into your hair strands and it is getting all the way down to the end. And that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will see you next time. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye.